In this video, I'm going to show you to unzip a zip file or RAR file on your Windows 10 totally for free. So let's go over to my computer where I walk you through the steps. Let's go. Now that we're on my computer, let's have a look at this. Now, by default, there's not an application on Microsoft Windows that allows you to unzip a RAR or zip file. Now, in order to do this, there are two options. Either you can do the free option, which is this method, or you can do the second option, where is this paid method. Now, with the free option, there are a few simple steps that you're going to go through. Now, here, as you can see, these are some of the files that I've recently downloaded, and I know the pain of having a file on your computer, which you cannot unzip or uncompress in order to use it. So I said to myself, you know what, let me just give the public data that they can use in order to unzip files so that they can use it on their computer. Now, the main purpose of having zip or RAR files downloaded through the internet on Windows 10, in this way, it is to reduce the corruption of the file or the decoding of the file so it doesn't get defected when you're using the file on your computer. So Microsoft has this option of downloading it on your computer in that form. Now, there is not a software that comes into the computer by default that unzips. So whenever you download a file, for example, a zip, as you can see here, a zip or a RAR file, you will then need to have a software, which we're going to look at. Now, in order to get access to this software, you're going to go over to a website by the name of zip.org, and I'll have a link to this. Now, when you land on this platform, you'll be greeted by three different Windows platform software. Now, according to my Windows, I'm using the 24-bit gig, not the 32. So you have to look at the properties of your computer and to see which setting do you have on your computer. And let me just go over. If you're not sure what number of bits that you have on your computer, you can simply go over to you're going to go to your desktop. Here, you're going to tap on the right button on the mouse and you're going to go to properties. Tap on properties and you'll be taken over to here. Now here, you're going to scroll down, guys, and you can have a look at the name of the device, processor, which is here, Intel, install device ID, product ID, system type. Here it says 64-bit operating system by 64 bits. Now this is how you can know the type of processing unit on your Windows 10. Now we're going to close that, and then we're going I like this Lamborghini. Then we're going to close that, then we're going to go back over to the website. Where's the website now? After you have downloaded the most appropriate settings for your computer that is incompatible with unzipping that file, you're going to go and then tap on it. So let me go to my download section and show you now. I've just recently downloaded the file. Let me just upload. Yes, so this is the version of 7-zip that you're going to use. Now, what you then need to do, you're going to tap on it, guys. Install it on your computer. You then need to go to that file. So let me go to this file, which is called Dog Health. Now, I'm going to right-click on it in order to open it. So I'm going to go 1 minute. Let me just go back. Now, on right-clicking on it, guys, you'll be greeted with this option. You're going to have open. Now, if you're using default 7zip.org as the opening file, it will be open automatically. Other than that, you have to go and select that option manually. So let me just go and tap on open. Now, on tapping on open, you'll be taken over to this. Now, this is what I saw before I had downloaded 7zip.org onto my computer, and it was really annoying. So you're going to come to here, guys. After you've opened the 7zip.org on your computer application, you're going to tap on open. When you tap on that, you'll be taken over to this screen where you'll then see the file that was currently or previously encrypted with RAR or zip interface. So you're going to tap on it, and then you'll have the file in a normal PDF, which you can then open. Now, if this does not appear for you by default, even though you have tapped on the application in order to make it your default option, you can go back to the file. We find another file, RAR zip, these are on your RAR here on the screen, go down, So say that this file has been downloaded on my computer, and I would like to open it. Keep it in mind, I do not have the 7-zip org as my default opening application. What I then need to do, I need to tap on it, select it, then I'm going to right click on the mouse, and then I'm going to go to the option of open with. On tapping on that, guys, you'll be taken over to here where it says VLC. You then need to search for 7-zip org. If you do not find it, you then need to go to choose another application. Tap on it, and you'll be taken over here. Now, guys, as you can see, this has been my default opener for the last, say, a day or so, because I'm trying out this software, and it gives me the first option. If you do not find that option on your computer where it is by default, it should be automatically by default. But if not, you're going to scroll down, guys, and you're going to go to more apps. Find it there. Upon finding that application, you need to select it, tap on OK, and then it will be taken over to that section where you can make it your default opener, and then you can use that application for opening any RAR or zip file on your computer so that you can do your other operation through the computer. Please do comment below about this video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment below. And please do not go anywhere. I'll have a few more videos that will be extremely beneficial for you, that will help you to go through any difficulty that you're going on the computer, on your smart device. So please stick around and watch these videos. Take care and ta-ta. Bye.